Last week we were up in Harrisonburg, Virginia at JMU salvaging a bunch of oak doors from Wilson Hall. We figured this would be a great opportunity to show you how we take the door and jamb out in one piece. First, pry away all the trim on both sides of the door or window you want to remove. Once you have access to the jamb, run a sawzall in between the jamb and the wall to cut all the nails holding it in place. Once you cut all the nails, you might need to pry just a little bit, but the whole thing should come out in one piece. Taking a door out in the jamb is very beneficial to the end user, as creating a jamb from scratch takes a lot of time and effort. We salvaged a bunch of these oak doors last week and we're looking forward to getting them online.